Hi friends, today I make a 12-volt simple but powerful inverter. Let's make it. Take a 555 IC. Connect pin number 8 and 4 to each other. Connect pin number 6 and 2 to each other. Connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor between pin number 8 and 7. Connect a 100 kilo ohm resistor between pins 6 and 7. Take a 10 nanofarad capacitor and connect pin number 1 and 2. Take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect pin number 3. Take a BC557 PNP transistor. Connect the emitter to pin 4 and connect the base to the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect a 220 ohm resistor to the collector pin. Take any N-channel MOSFET, or I took a high-power NPN transistor. Connect a 220 ohm resistor to the base of that transistor. Connect the emitter pin of the transistor to pin number 1 of the IC. The circuit is very simple and compact. Connect 12-volt positive to pin number 8 and negative to pin number 1. This is the step-down transformer. This is the secondary, and this is the primary. Connect the load to the primary. And connect the secondary wire to pin number 1 and another wire to the collector pin of the transistor. Finally, our inverter circuit is ready to test. I am taking a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, connect it to the circuit. This circuit handles up to 120 watt load. Comment your opinion about this project. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and support me.